everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pyro here, and in today's scroll saw project video we're going to be making another Halloween theme video, and it is a little table decoration featuring a cat, a pumpkin, and a ghost. And the wood I'm using is old recycled dresser drawers. I picked up an old dresser several years ago on the side of the road, and I took it apart and just been using bits and pieces here and there, but I want to use these two pieces for an actual scroll saw project. So I've already got the pattern attached with clear packing tape, and the base is actually designed like one of those old school caskets you see in horror movies, so that's real cool. So what we're going to do now is head over to the drill press, drill our pilot holes for this project, then hop back over to the scroll saw and get started. And beginning over here on the drill press, we're going to drill all of our pilot holes for internal cutting. I think there's around 12 or 13 for this project. Not very many at all. And we're going to start over here with our scroll work with some of the smaller internal cuts. I'm using number 5 reverse tooth, shark tooth scroll saw blades. I always enjoy using those for scroll saw work. The pattern is designed by Steve Good and is available as a free pattern download over at his website at scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com over in the pattern catalog. I just thought this pattern would be real neat since we're still here in the Halloween season, getting toward the end of October. And all in all, it took me about 25 minutes to cut this entire pattern out from start to finish. That's not counting all of the prep work, getting the pattern ready and attached to the wood and getting the wood scraps cut to size and all. Just the actual scroll work took around 25 minutes. If you guys like what you're seeing, please subscribe to the channel to see all of my videos. I try to upload around every Monday. Those are my main woodworking videos, and then Wednesday is non-woodworking videos. Those are my secondary videos. And also, please follow me online over at my Instagram page at Artisan Pirate. I try to post over there at least twice daily. And here we're done with all of our scroll work, and we're beginning the final outside cut that will release the piece from the wood. This recycled dresser drawer cut extremely well over here on the scroll saw. Made very, very fine sawdust with just the multiple layers of wood. So make sure if you use recycled dresser drawers to always use a dust respirator. I have one on, you just can't see it. Here we are. Now that piece is done, and I'm going to lubricate the blade a little bit more with just a regular bar of soap, and we're going to cut the base out here, which is designed like an old school casket. And all of our scroll work is done, and now we're going to remove the patterns from the pieces. Turned out very nice, and we're going to take the palm sander and hit it with extremely fine sandpaper. And as always, more sanding off camera. Now I'm going to take off my dust respirator and hearing protection and clean the piece off with a paintbrush and add just a little fine bead of Gorilla Wood Glue and clamp it down with spring clamps and clean up my squeeze out, and I let this dry about an hour and took the clamps off, and the project was complete. And here we have the completed little Halloween decoration. As you can see, it's not big at all. Fits comfortably in the palm of my hand. Right before glue up, I did go over to the belt sander and put a slight chamfer all the way around the base of the casket, which serves as the base. Thought that'd give it a nice little detail, and everything sanded up nice and smooth. It was a great way to give new life to those old dresser drawer pieces that I had salvaged. and gives them a new lease on life. Again, I use a lot of upcycled materials other than 1/4-inch plywood that I like to use for scroll projects, but it turned out real good. I'm not gonna stain it or anything. I'm just gonna put good old clear coat to bring out the grain once the weather breaks. As you can tell, it's still raining like crazy around here, and it really comes up on camera when you have a tin roof, but it is what it is. Nice little project to get you in and out of the workshop on a dreary day like this. I think it took me maybe 25 minutes to cut this start to finish once everything was prepared. So it didn't take long at all. Another nice look at it. And I hope you guys like it. I know I do. That's about all for this video. Remember guys, if I can make it, so can you. Once again, happy Halloween 2019. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.